Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you a video about how to not suck in Minecraft. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Well, it's pretty easy to not suck in it. Okay, so high tree. Okay, so you can use any material what you want. So I'll choose oak wooden planks. So let's get started. Okay, so I don't care how big will your house be, I just want to show you an example. Okay, that is 10 by... I'm not gonna count. Okay, so... oh, after you've done that, you have all those places, yeah? See? You have all of those thingies. Done, 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 and done. Okay, so after you've done that, count, at least put a door, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Her plus 4 is 8. Well, all the even numbers, you can put 2 doors in it. Yeah. That. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so after you've done that, put any wood. I'm gonna choose spruce wood. But I just put here. I'm just gonna make I want to make huge windows. Like that. And like this. You can make a porch if you want to. I won't. In the next video I'll show you, okay? Okay, so after we've done that, we just put some glass. Well, if you're on a default world, you can find all those... I forgot. In default world, you can find all of the things. So, I'm just doing super fun because I have too many items. Dun, dun. What the crap, you dude? In some of my next videos, I'm going to show you how to build some defense houses, and I'll show you an example. Oh, so see, it looks like this. And then close the door, yeah. So now let's put like this, 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 this. Okay, so now. Well, like after you've done all of this thingy, you just take the wood. For me, like I saw some people that have a Minecraft, they just put it like this. See, so see, it's like straight up. For me, it goes like this way. So I really need to do it. So after you just need to make up to make like a house, and then I'm gonna show you the floor. Yeah. So even that, you see, it's gonna be like that. Okay, well, I think most of the people will get the main point of this. Okay, so after you've done that, just put one more block up here. and you go on, and on the top just put some glass so that you can see through. I'm not going to show you the design in a Minecraft house. You can just look it on the internet because I'm bad at it. Okay, so see, it looks like this. Okay, I'll do it like the movie because I just want to show you an example of how should the house look. Okay, so we've done that. Yeah. So 1, 2. Oh. Did I ever even put here stuff? No, I did not. Yeah, I hate. Nope. Yeah. Okay, so we've done that. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I just. Okay, so. Okay, so we've done this, yeah? So now we take our glass and put it on top. See? Okay, so the house should look pretty much like, I'm gonna cover those things if it's bad. Guys, just give me some comments of how can I improve my house and my videos. This is only my second video. I just started making a YouTube channel. Oh, so we got that. Where is the entrance? That, no, this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is how it should pretty much look like. Okay, so when we come in our house, just let's destroy this to make it look better. Well, I would rather suggest you to create not out of wood, or if you want to just defend your house, just put like pistons and use a redstone to smash. Oh my god, no. Okay, let it be like that. Okay, so see it. Oh, okay, that's like. Okay, so see, I destroyed all the blocks. So the house would pretty much look like this on the inside. Okay, now let's do the floor. Okay, so well, I don't know. I really offer people to use not a carpet but wool. But if you want, just make the floor out of brick. I really don't care. It's my opinion. It's not somebody else's. So I'm gonna choose those 2 rows. So I'm gonna. Oh no. So okay. So after you've done that, I don't even know what I did. That is incorrect. I think. Oh, I no. Okay. Okay. Well, just choose your own design. I don't care. I'm just doing something random. I was okay. So Okay, so or you can just make in lines white, orange, white, orange, white, orange, or orange, white, orange, white. I think orange white will go better. But okay, so we're almost done. Okay, and I'm gonna show you a small. It's a defense. It's a little part of defense, but still, it'll be good for you, I think. If any zombies, so at night, if any zombies come to your house, you have an emergency exit. So see, the will look like this. So let's do that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, let's get a torch. So just do it far away from your house. Okay, so you've done that, yeah? 1, 2. Okay, so we'll put a ladder. Okay, so see what I'm doing? I'm doing like this. See, the zombies are coming out now. Ooh, I quickly need that. Okay, so put a door here. Okay, see? I could have made it inside. That's a little cool. Okay, oh. So I'll just... Okay, so then you put a ladder. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. I'm gonna show you how the house looks like. Okay, so this is it. This will be your house. So you get in, you're safe. I'll go to survival. So I'll give you an example. So look, all the guys are gonna blow up. Oh my god, did you see that? They wouldn't kill my face. Okay, so look, for an example. You're running, and you don't want anybody to kill you. Yeah. Okay, so, oh my god. I am so sorry, dude. Okay, so you go to this place, you run away, you go up, you close it, you can close it. Oh yeah, the trap door. I knew I forgot something. See? I don't know if it's... No. The zombie will kill me. Yeah, okay, so put a trapdoor. Okay, done. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Oh my god. Bye.